In the race to dominate the world of artificial intelligence, Baidu, the Chinese tech giant, has stepped up its game and aims to outshine the renowned ChatGPT. Buckle up as we delve into the realm of Ernie Bot, exploring its rise to stardom, unraveling its exceptional qualities, and pondering whether it can truly surpass the mighty ChatGPT. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you will never miss any updates from us. Alright, let's get this exciting journey started. Now, what exactly is this Ernie Bot everyone's raving about? Ernie Bot represents Baidu's most recent brainchild, a powerful generative AI product and a knowledge-enhanced large language model. It made its grand entrance into the world on March 16, 2023, during a press conference held at Baidu's headquarters in Beijing. Baidu proudly claims that Ernie Bot possesses the ability to comprehend human intentions and deliver responses that are not only accurate and logical, but also fluently approach human-level interactions. This impressive creation can engage in dialogue, generate content, reason with vast knowledge, and produce various forms of output. The foundation of Ernie Bot lies in a series of models known as Ernie, enhanced representation through knowledge integration, and Plato, a pre-trained dialogue generation model. Baidu has been tirelessly developing these models since 2019. Ernie, the foundational model, can learn from extensive knowledge and unlabeled data using semantic units, while Plato, the dialogue generation model, is adept at handling different types of conversations, ranging from casual chit-chat to knowledge-grounded discussions and task-oriented interactions. Ernie Bot represents the latest version of these models, known as Ernie 3.5 Titan, with over double the parameters at its disposal compared to ChatGPT-3. Ernie Bot stands toe-to-toe with the more advanced GPT-4. Not only that, it flaunts unique features, including plugins and search integration, setting it apart from other chatbots in the market. Now, let's dive into the performance of Ernie Bot by examining some thrilling tests and benchmarks. Baidu boldly claims that Ernie Bot surpasses both ChatGPT and GPT-4 in several key areas. Baidu conducted an array of tests and benchmarks, employing various evaluation methods. One such method involved using standard admission and qualification exams, widely recognized in China for education and employment purposes. These exams cover an extensive range of subjects, including language, math, logic, history, geography, politics, law, medicine, and more. They are meticulously designed to assess candidates' knowledge levels, reasoning abilities, and problem-solving skills. Baidu proudly reveals that Ernie Bot achieved an outstanding average score of 85% on these exams, surpassing the average score of human candidates, which stood at 75%. Comparatively, ChatGPT scored 55% and GPT-4 managed 60%. This remarkable feat demonstrates Ernie Bot's firm grasp of general knowledge and its ability to tackle complex questions across various domains. Another evaluation method employed is the use of multiple-choice question evaluation, MCQE, a common technique for measuring AI models' natural language understanding prowess. MCQE encompasses questions with 4 possible answers each, sourced from diverse materials such as textbooks, news articles, and novels. Within just 3 months of the beta launch of Ernie Bot, Baidu's large language model, built on Ernie 3.0, Ernie 3.5, has undergone significant enhancements in efficacy, functionality, and performance. Dr. Haifeng Wang, CTO of Baidu, highlights improvements in creative writing, Q&A, reasoning, and code generation, along with enhanced training and inference performance. The advancements in Ernie 3.5 have led to a staggering 2-fold increase in training throughput and an astonishing 17-fold increase in inference throughput compared to Ernie 3.0. These upgrades not only accelerate model iteration upgrades, but also reduce training and usage costs while enhancing the overall user experience. One standout feature of Ernie 3.5 is the introduction of plugins. For instance, the built-in Baidu Search plugin equips Ernie Bot with real-time and precise information generation capabilities. Another plugin, Chatfile, enables long text summarization and functionalities. Dr. Wang emphasizes that Ernie 3.5 expands its capabilities through these plugins. In the future, Ernie Bot plans to integrate more high-quality plugins from Baidu and third-party developers, fostering a dynamic ecosystem built upon Ernie's foundation. These modules enable Ernie Bot to generate creative content, write business documents, and access vast knowledge through Baidu's search engine. By leveraging the power of search integration, Ernie Bot can retrieve accurate information from reliable sources and provide users with precise and diverse responses. Constant innovation remains at the core of Ernie's development by implementing cutting-edge strategies from Paddle, such as adaptive hybrid parallel training technology and mixed precision computing. Along with optimized data sources and distribution, Ernie 3.5 has achieved accelerated iteration speed, improved efficacy, and enhanced safety. Furthermore, Ernie 3.5 leverages advanced techniques like knowledge snippet enhancement to enhance its understanding and utilization of world knowledge. The model analyzes user queries, identifies relevant knowledge snippets, and uses knowledge graphs and search engines to generate corresponding answers. This technique significantly improves task performance and demonstrates Ernie's proficiency in logical reasoning, mathematical computation, and code generation. The latest update, Ernie Bot 2.10, released on June 21, brings significant improvements in mathematical computations, creative writing, and the addition of the new chat file plugin. Dr. Wang invites test users to experience the performance of Ernie 3.5, emphasizing that applications involving language, text, or code can potentially benefit from Ernie Bot. The wide range of applications already utilizing Ernie Bot spans across various fields, including smart offices, coding, marketing, media, education, and finance. Baidu's smart work platform, InfoFlow, has incorporated features like Smart Summary, Smart Insights, and Super Assistant derived from Ernie Bot. In coding, Baidu's smart coding assistant, Comate, utilizes Ernie Bot's capabilities to generate code snippets based on natural language prompts, thereby improving development efficiency. Baidu's Ernie Foundation Model version 3.5 has not only seen technical upgrades, but also prioritized safety enhancements. This reflects the company's efforts to address content safety concerns raised by Beijing. China has been navigating the balance between promoting generative AI development and implementing regulations to manage perceived risks associated with the technology. Governance challenges accompany the advancement of generative AI, and Lai, a representative of Baidu, emphasizes the importance of establishing sound laws, regulations, institutional systems, as well as ethical and moral guidelines to ensure its healthy development. In response to ChatGPT's influence, Baidu released Ernie Bot 3.0 in March, marking China's initial significant response in the field. This move has prompted other Chinese tech companies like Alibaba Group Holding and Tencent Holdings to unveil their own models, showcasing the increasing competition in the market. In a recent test conducted by the Xinhua Institute, affiliated with the Xinhua State News Agency, Baidu's Ernie Bot ranked at the top among Chinese tech companies' alternatives to ChatGPT. Baidu is actively integrating Ernie Bot into its various products, including cloud services, and has announced a 1 billion yuan, or $139 million, venture fund to invest in Chinese generative AI startups. Lai foresees large language models permeating into diverse sectors, driving the digital economy and fostering its integration with the real economy. However, as with any AI technology, challenges remain. Ensuring the reliability and quality of information sourced from the web is crucial. Moreover, addressing ethical concerns and potential harm in generated content is an ongoing endeavor. Baidu and other developers must tackle these issues while continuing to refine their AI creations. Nevertheless, Ernie Bot's achievements deserve admiration. It represents a significant leap forward in the realm of AI, deserving applause and respect. As the field evolves, we should keep a keen eye on the progress and impact of technologies like Ernie Bot. So what are your thoughts on Ernie Bot? Have you experienced its capabilities firsthand? Do you believe it outshines ChatGPT? Share your insights in the comments. And if you found this video both informative and entertaining, show your support with a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to stay informed about the fascinating world of AI. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.